Okay, checking the chain slackness. Rotate the wheel, first of all. The first thing you do is rotate the wheel to find the tightest bit of the chain. It's quite difficult to judge. It all seems pretty much as slack as everywhere. Just pick an arbitrary place. Okay, you measure at the center of the chain. So you measure from the center of the front sprocket to the center of the rear sprocket. It's 28 inches, so 14 inches is pretty much in line with the end of the silencer here. Not silencer, the exhaust box catalytic converter. I have actually no idea what's in there. Okay, so simple measurement with a tape measure is basically line up to the swing arm, lift it up and measure to the center of one of the pins. So I think that is 30, 35, 30, I'm going to say 35, and then same thing, drop it down, and I'm getting 70. So 70 minus 35, actually that is probably 30. So at the top I've got 30, and at the bottom I've got 70, which means that my chain slack is 70 minus 30, which is 40. It's supposed to be between 10 and 20 for the Vulcan S. The bike is due a service fairly soon, so I might just leave it, or I might just pull it back a little bit. But I think between 10 and 20 mil is too tight. But really, who am I to argue with Kawasaki? I might do another video pulling the wheel back to tighten the chain.